Alright everyone, this is Big P here in the Philippines again. Here this last weekend, we went up on a ride to Vigan and had a good time up there. There was an invitational ride, and it was the I don't know, the governor or the mayor's birthday or something like that. It's one of the old towns here in the Philippines, old Spanish town. Looks real nice to go. Took some photographs, but didn't get a chance to take any video, unfortunately. But I'll put the photographs on my Facebook. But anyway, right now we're heading back to Manila, riding along the coastline here. And I thought I would do a bit of a video here to show everybody the water or the coastline. Well, it looks like we're going to stop here for a few minutes. I'm going to keep this video going though, to show the coastline here. I think we're going to stop for some pictures. Yeah, looks like we're going to stop for some pictures. Let's see what we can do here. I'll get everybody on the video. There's Joanne. We got the coastline here. I don't know if we're going to stop for another video or stop for some more pictures or anything like that. But I'll try to keep this video going for maybe a little longer than normal. There's Colonel Peary, I think his name. Colonel Peary, I hope I'm saying that right. His son. They came on the ride with us. There's Samsung. Huh. He's got his young son there with him on this ride. It's good bonding. Joanne taking pictures of me. Waving. Looks like we just stopped for a quick photo op. As we ride along the coastline here, I'm going to try to keep the video going. It says, "Stop the pollution, quick, don't make the water sick." It's a good sign. I like it. Let me try to get a video of this thing. Uh-oh. See what everybody's doing. We gotta be careful with the cars coming down the road. Oh, there's a boat in the water. It's like they're fishing. Uh-oh, a truck coming. there's some stairs you can go down and climb on them rocks, I guess. But I don't think that's something we're going to do. Go down and climb on the rocks. Got my old Kymco Xciting here. Got it all decked out with the side boxes and the back box. Joanne taking pictures of me. There's Samson. Samson likes to take a lot of pictures. These two other bikes here, these are T-Maxes. They keep trying to get me to buy a T-Max, but I don't know, I'm not ready to spend the money on one right now. Photo bomber on a bicycle, or a video bomber. Looks like we might be getting ready to go. Like I said, I'm going to keep this video going a little longer than what I normally do. So I hope everybody, just spend the extra minutes, extra 10 or 15 minutes to go ahead and see the whole thing. I'm going to try to keep this going as we ride along the coastline. It's a nice morning here. Nice Sunday morning. Gotta wait for Dick to get his, not Dick, excuse my language, Samson to get his video equipment going right. I said the name of the wrong person. Uh-oh, I don't think I want to take a video of that. He's going off in the trees. There's something out there on the rock. Out there, a monument of some kind, it looks like. I'm not sure what that is. Hope this video comes out pretty clear, because as we're riding along here, there's a lot of bugs in the air. I don't know if they got on the lens or not. I mean, just look at this though. Isn't this beautiful? My goodness. Makes you want to run down there and jump in the water. It's 6:35 in the morning, Sunday morning. I think this is the 3rd or the 4th, I think the 4th of December. Wow, I can't believe how fast Christmas is coming. My goodness. Probably going to run into a lot of traffic later on heading back to Manila. Let's see here. We'll get going. Alright. Put my visor down with all the bugs on it. Okay, here we go. We'll probably get a good look at the coastline again here in a couple minutes. I can see by my GPS we're going to be getting close to the coastline, going over a couple bridges and things like that. Coastline right there. Let's see. Huh? Some oncoming traffic there. Got to be careful. It's a lot of I don't know. The road can be really good here for a while, and then all of a sudden it gets really tore up, and then it gets good again. I guess there's, you know, in a lot of places they're working on improving the road. There's some construction back there. You can't get mad at that though, as long as they're trying to improve things. Oh, the sun is coming up. I hope it doesn't bother the camera too much. I'd like to get some good shots of the ocean. Goodness, the sun is right in front of us. It'll be interesting to see how my camera is adjusting to the sun coming in and out of the shade and over the hills there. Looks like we're heading back inland. I don't know if we're gonna get any more shots of the ocean here anytime soon. Which way we're going to be heading here. It's going to take us about 7 hours or something to get back to Manila. one of those things. It depends a lot on the traffic and so forth. You know, I'm looking at my GPS thing here, and it doesn't look like we'll be going along the coastline again for a little bit. So, I've already made a couple of videos of going to Vigan. I didn't think they were very good, but I'm going to review everything and then see which one I'm going to post. It might be this one or one of the other ones, or I'm not sure yet. But for now, I'm just going to say this is Big P here in the Philippines, exploring as much of the country as I can. It's a beautiful country in a lot of places, and I'm trying to see all the tourist areas as I can, and you know, just explore and have fun. But for now, I'm going to say this is Big P, and I'm out.